Hey guys, my name is Eddie Guth. I am the art coordinator for the Boys and Girls Club of Truckee Meadows, and I hope you had a really great weekend. We are here to give you your first tip of the second week. First tip of the second week is going to be, how do we cough without spreading germs?
Hey, how was your weekend?
Good, how was yours? Wait, make sure you wash your hands before. It helps you prevent from spreading the germs.
You're right. How am I supposed to cough again?
You're supposed to cough into your arm.
The reason why we cough into our arms like this is so we can prevent from spreading germs. All right guys, well that was our first tip of this week. See you guys next time.